What if humans had wings? Imagine the possibilities. In today's video, we're going to explore the evolutionary ramifications of humans sprouting some feathered appendages. Let's start by considering the obvious advantages of having wings. Flying would no longer be just a dream reserved for birds and superheroes. People could zip through the air with grace and ease, leaving traffic jams and long commutes in the dust. Just picture it. Instead of getting stuck in rush hour, you could simply take to the sky and soar above the chaos below. No more cramped subway cars or endless gridlock. The sky would be your playground, free from the constraints of gravity. In order for humans to grow wings, there would need to be a significant evolutionary shift in our anatomy. Our bones would have to become hollow and lightweight, similar to those of birds. Our muscles would need to be incredibly strong to power our flight, and our respiratory system would have to be optimized for high-altitude oxygen levels. Of course, there would be some downsides to having wings as well. Imagine trying to find clothes that fit properly when you have a pair of massive appendages sprouting from your back. And don't even get me started on the challenges of using a public restroom. But the benefits of flight would surely outweigh these minor inconveniences. Just think of the incredible views you would have from up in the clouds. The sense of freedom and exhilaration as you swoop and dive through the air. The development of wings in humans would completely revolutionize our society. We would no longer be bound by the limitations of the ground, opening up new possibilities for transportation, exploration, and communication. Just imagine a world where flying is the norm, where we no longer have to rely on cars, trains, or planes to get from point A to point B. The skies would be filled with humans soaring through the air, a sight to behold. So, what do you think? Would you trade in your legs for a pair of wings if given the chance? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep dreaming of that sky-high lifestyle. Fly safe, my friends.